Okay, so I'm Aisha.
Should I tell them my government?
No, this is
Benji Noodle.
And we're gonna try out a look and see how it comes out on the both of us, because we are pretty much amateurs at this makeup thing. Like, I do like a regular face. She's better at eyeshadow than I am, but we're gonna try this out.
I haven't practiced in a long time, so we're gonna try it out.
Okay, there we go. Ow, that's the look we're going for.
Yeah. So the way I do my makeup is completely different from what people on YouTube or everyone else does. Like, you know how people like do their eyeshadow first and then their foundation? Like, I've tried that before and I've gotten like concealer on my eyeshadow or on my eyebrows. So I do my face and then my eyeshadow.
And me, this is my problem area, so I try to do everything else first and then focus in on under my eye, because I don't like when the eyeshadow falls down and gets here and messes up my concealer. So I'm going to do my eyebrows and eyeshadow first. The brow, but the kit is called like,
it's okay, just
something brows.
I'm just gonna start with my foundation. This is my favorite foundation. Like, I've tried all types of foundation, but I really love this because it has like a yellow undertone. So yeah, I use True Match L'Oreal, and it's light. I don't like heavy, you know. And I'm gonna use color corrector. So, you know.
So I simply just brush my eyebrows up. As you can see, I don't really have much.
Nothing. Yeah, I thought I didn't have. You brush your ear.
Well, I'm brushing my skin up.
Yo.
So when I'm doing the front, I like to do light brush strokes because I don't want it to look too boxy. Like,
and I just look nuts right now because I look like an orange pumpkin. Color corrector. I'm gonna go on top of it. I look like a.
Oh my god, you look scary.
I look like
Momo.
Like the Asians, you know how they don't have no like eyes.
I look like a glazed honey bun.
So now I'm going to attempt the eyeshadow. By the way, Jasmine is here helping us because it's her look and she's grateful enough to help because I don't know what I'm doing. So what do I start with? Guys, so apparently I have to prime, but I never did that before. So I'm going to put some concealer on my eyes. I use the LA Girl Pro. It's the only concealer I have found that actually works for me because I need like full coverage. So this is what I've been sticking with. And this is the color Warm Honey.
Go into my eyebrows. Do not judge me either. Please don't judge me, please. The way I do my eyebrows is
and keep your little nasty comments to yourself if you have any.
They're not gonna have any after I'm done with my look. Head and take my eyebrow brush, because this is what I use for my eyebrows. It's a Smashbox brush, if I'm not mistaken. But yeah, angled. And then I take, where is some setting spray. And
there's some right here.
okay.
That's Jasmine. She got it new at BeautyCon.
It's
from Too Faced.
Alright.
Show the cam. Turn it.
If Jasmine got it, it's good shit and y'all gotta get it.
So I primed the eyes. How is it looking?
Good.
Alright, so I wet the brush with a little bit of setting spray. And I use shadow for my eyebrows.
So I'm gonna start with a light brown for the outside, and then I'm gonna build on it to see how dark I want the look to be.
Yo, City Girls is like on repeat in my head. Like, I don't even need a radio.
Right? I always listen to them.
Oh my god, it's like, told that little Stop clout chasing. Tell that little that I'm not basic. Pull up on it and put them hands on them. Do do do.
Right, so the camera shut off on us. It was like we was too hot, so the camera got too hot,
and then spicy for y'all.
And then it turned off. But we back.
I'm gonna use the Take Me Back to Brazil palette.
Yes.
First of all, my palette is zonked out. I had it since freshman year of college.
The crayon case, the matte book. This brown, a little bit of this brown, this pink, and then the very light baby pink. Now I'm gonna put on my eyelashes. I'm using Jazzedbyjazz lashes. I got one lash on. Hopefully it's the right one.
She beating me. She beating me.
No, you gotta do my face.
She beating me.
Yeah.
I'm gonna use a little bit of blush or whatever, because my face is done. I just need to add blush and highlight.
My eyelashes is on, and guess what? That means I'm about to be done. So sometimes I color correct, sometimes I don't, as you can see, which crazy on the camera looks so much better than how I feel it looks in real life. But under my eyes are very, very dark. But so I found out if you use red, it will even out the color. So I've used this only sometimes though.
So should I use these? These are thicker.
Oh yeah.
So I'm gonna start off with pure beige. I usually use cool tan, but I don't have any. But I'm gonna start off with pure beige and then add a little warm honey if I need to.
Yeah. Told that little bit that I'm chasing. Told that little bit that I'm
not basic. I still don't even know what I'm wearing, but we're gonna find out. Alright, so now I'm going to contour. I use a brown concealer to contour because that's just what works for me. Look. Alright, so basically, like, this means I'm about to be done because I just be
This means I'm about to be done. I'm done.
Laura Mercier, their, what is this? Setting powder is the best for me. I love it.
So this is the finished look.
Product.
I know I went from looking like a crackhead to a badass bitch.
What y'all think?
And we had a little bit of help from Jasmine. Our inspiration was that picture. The yellow replaces. You can't even see because of my bang. Simple and cute. Like, what did you say?
Adds a little pop of color. Look at that, and the yellow match your shirt.
Your nails match my outfit.
Yes.
Follow me on Instagram, simply_Alegna, SIMPLY_Alegna, ALEGNA.
And mine is cinnamon_cake, so that's CINNAMON_CAKES. Cinnamon cakes.
Simply Alegna _.
Don't forget the underscore.